नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Students, we are on the part 3 of Pythagoras theorem, 10th standard SSC, maths 2. Now, we started with the practice set 2.1. We have completed first question. Now we are on the second question. Second question they have given. This is a triangle MNP and they have given this NQ is perpendicular to MP. Okay, this is perpendicular sign. Okay, then if you see the question, they have given that measure of angle MNP is equal to 90 degree, segment NQ is perpendicular to segment MP. Okay, MQ is equal to 9. This is 9 and PQ is equal to 4. This is 4. 9 units and 4 units. They are asked to find length NQ. Length NQ. Now we are going for a solution. Now just see, they have asked you NQ, means you can make use of what? Theorem of geometric mean. Okay, in triangle MNP, measure of angle MNP is equal to 90 degree and this is given. Segment NQ is perpendicular to segment MP. It is again given. That means segment NQ is perpendicular to hypotenuse NP. Now we can apply the formula of, therefore NQ square is equal to MQ into PQ. The reason we are going to write by theorem of geometric mean or property of geometric mean of, okay, geometric mean, that is more than enough. Okay, therefore I can write NQ square is equal to 9 into 4. This is actually given. Therefore NQ square is equal to 36. This NQ square is there, but in geometry when you are taking square root, so it may be positive or negative 6, but length cannot be negative. इसलिए हमें लिखना है taking positive square root, what I'll get, taking positive square root, NQ is equal to, so length NQ is equal to 6 units is the answer. Have you understood this? Okay, you understood it properly, copy down, just by pause the video and copy down it properly. Okay, draw the figure with pencil and copy down it properly. Now third question, they are given this figure. In this figure given angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. Segment PM is perpendicular to segment QR. And Q, M and R are the collinear points. Length PM is equal to 10 units and length QM is equal to 8 units. To find length they have asked to find out length QR. So, see once again, in this question, they have asked you QR. So it is difficult to find out QR, but you can easily find out MR. Then we can adequately get QR. Okay? So solution, like a previous question only, we are going to do the same thing. In triangle PQR, measure of angle QPR is equal to 90 degree and segment PM is perpendicular to segment QR. These two things are given. Therefore, I can find what segment PM is perpendicular to hypotenuse QR. Means we can apply the proper theorem of geometric mean. Therefore, PM square is equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. This is the by theorem of geometric mean. What are you going to write? By theorem of geometric mean. So PM they have given 10 square is equal to QM into MR. So QM is also given 8. So we are going to write given. So 10 square is 100. 8 into MR. 100 upon 8 is equal to MR. So 4 2s are 4 25s are. So length MR is equal to 12.5 units. This we are going to write, and I think it is easy. Okay, you got MR. Now they have not asked you MR, they have asked you QR. Therefore, length QR is equal to length QM plus length MR, because QM and R are what? Collinear points. Therefore, length QR is equal to QM is 8 plus 12.5. Length QR is equal to 20.5 units. This is your final answer. Copy down it properly by pausing the video. See, this is the figure given for code number question number 4, and they are given information as given in the figure. Is it right? And we have asked you, they have given SR is equal to 6, and they have asked you RP as well as this here, RP as well as SP. Yes, okay. So, how to do it? Directly can go for the solution. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि we are having an idea when it is 30 degree, 90 degree. This will become 60 degree. Correct? Then we are having one theorem or properties of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees triangle. So we can use that. Okay. So in triangle PSR, measure of angle PSR is equal to 90 as given the figure. Measure of angle SPR is equal to 30 degree. It is also. Therefore, what you can write is measure of angle SRP is equal to 60 degree. And we are going to write the reason. Remaining angles of triangle PSR. Okay, remaining angles of triangle PSR. So what you are going to do is by property of or by theorem of property of 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees triangle, we can write, we know that side, this is the 30 degree, now we got as a 60 degree, and side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. So this SR is half of RP. We are going to write side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. We know the value of SR, that is 6 is equal to half into length RP. 6 into 2 is equal to length RP, or length RP is equal to 12 units. This is the thing we are going to put in the box. Now you got this as a 12. Okay. Now they ask the value of what? SP. Now again we can write SP or PS, length PS of PS is equal to root 3 upon 2 of RP. We are going to write side opposite to 60 degree. Then PS, we know that PS we got, we don't know the value of PS. Root 3 upon 2 into, we got the value of 12. So length PS is equal to, we can cancel this, I get 6 root 3 units. That we are going to put in the box. I think you have understood it properly. That you should know the 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle theorem or property. Okay. See once again, side opposite to 30 degrees. This is side opposite 30 degrees, half of the hypotenuse. If it is 6, this will become what? Double of it. This is 12. And this will become 6 root 3. Okay? Because side opposite to 60 degrees root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. It is hypotenuse is 12. If I cancel it, I get PS is equal to 6 root 3 units. I think it is very easy question. Just copy down it properly by pausing the video. Now this is the fifth question. It is an activity based question for finding AB and BC with help of information given below. They have given this is 90 degree and these two sides are equal and this is 8. Now complete the following activity. So AB is equal to BC. It is given. Is it right? Now issue is that this is 90 degree. Na? So what is the measure of angle BAC? वो थोड़ा हमारे लिए डिफिकल्ट जाएगा. Correct? तो हमें क्या करना है? If you want, you can write over here only box you have to put properly. In triangle ABC angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, and as these two sides are equal, then angle BAC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x degree. We can write what? Isosceles triangle theorem. So x plus 90 is equal to 180. You can write the reason. What is that? Sum of the measure of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. So x will become 45. That calculation you are going to do. So measure of angle BAC is equal to 45 degree. You got it? Therefore, by theorem on 45 degree and 90 degrees triangle, this AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 upon root 2 times of AC. That is 1 upon root 2 times of what? 8. That is nothing but 1 upon root 2 times. Here they did 4 into 2. This become 2 root 2. These root 2 get cancelled. So AB is equal to BC is equal to 2 units. This is the way we are going to do this sum. But you can elaborate over here. You can solve it, and then you can write continue. But put the boxes in proper places. Okay, have you understood this? You can elaborate this part. We are going to do it in proper way. You can write your own way, and then you continue with this. BS is equal to 45 degree. Then by the theorem of 45 degree triangle, what I can write then? AB is equal to BC is 1 upon root 2. You know that what side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. And you have to fill up the it properly. Thank you, student. Cover down. Number 6. Find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. That indicates we have to draw the first figure of a square. Okay, this is a square. If I am giving a name as what? A, B, C, D, and whose diagonal is this. This is called as what? Diagonal, and diagonal is 10 centimeters. There are the side, means length of the side and perimeter of. So what I want to write? Given quadrilateral ABCD is a given square. They have asked you to find out what length AC is equal to 10 centimeter, and what they have asked to find length of side and perimeter of quadrilateral ABC. Yeah, perimeter of a square. You got it? When they ask about the square, you must know all the properties of the square. Last time we had studied that in a square, all sides are congruent and all angles are of 90 degrees. Now we are going to make use of that, and we are going to solve this question. Once again, a square has all the sides congruent as well as all angles are of 90 degrees. So, solution is quadrilateral ABCD is a square. This is given. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. You got it? Is equal to CD is equal to AD is equation 1. All sides of square are congruent. Yeah, are of equal length. Then measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, equation 2, or you can write 1 and 2. All angles of square are of 90 degree. All angles of a square are of measure 90 degree. Now, here we can make use of, just अभी हमने जो previous question किया था, you can convert this you can write it as 45. You can apply 45 90 degrees theorem, or you can directly apply the Pythagoras theorem. It will be better. You got it? So what I am going to do, therefore, in triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Here you can write from 2. Yeah, you can write angle of a square. Correct? Therefore, we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. You got it now? Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus AB square only. We can write from 1 AB is equal to BC. So this is actually a 10 square is equal to 2AB square. Yeah, 100 upon 2 is equal to AB square. This becomes 50. So AB square is equal to 50. And I told you that taking positive square root, what I'll get, AB is equal to root of 50. That is, AB is equal to 25 into 2, or length AB is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. So this is there. Okay, what you got? AB is equal to, therefore, length of side of square is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. That we are going to put in a box. Okay. Now they have asked the perimeter, so you should know the formula of perimeter to find out what perimeter of a square. What I can write then? Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, length of side. That is equal to 4 into 5 root 2. So perimeter of given square is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Because unit of perimeter is what? Centimeter only. So I think you can copy down it properly. I think you understood it. Have you understood this? Once again, they have given that find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10. So I have drawn a figure and I have written that quadratic ABC is given square. हमने consider किया ABC. They are not given ABCD. तो length AC कितना है उसका? 10 centimeter. They have asked to length and perimeter of a square. Okay, you can write square. Quadratic ABCD. तो quadrant ABC is a square, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. रीजन क्या लिखेंगे? All sides of square are congruent. Angle ABC, we are interested in only this angle. We are not able to write what all angles. Side लिखने तो जरूरी है. और उसमें भी अगर तुम AB is equal to BC है तो भी चलता था. But I have written all. But here no need to write all the angles. All angles of a square are what? 90 degree. In triangle ABC, angle ABC कितना है? 90 degree. तो AC square is equal to AB square with BC square by Pythagoras theorem. क्या लिखना है तुम लोग को? By Pythagoras theorem. तो AC square is equal to AB square plus AB square only. BC square की जगह मैंने क्या यूज किया? AD square. AB square plus AB square 2AB square. This 10 square is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So AB square is equal to 50. Taking positive square root, AB is equal to root 50. So AB is equal to 25. 50 को मैं क्या लिखते हैं? 25 into 5. 5 will come out. So 5 root 2 centimeter. Length of side of square is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. And perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. That is 4 into 5 root 2. That is 20 root 2 centimeter. Comment on it properly. Okay. Now, seventh question. They are given this figure and given measure of angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. This is given. Segment FG is perpendicular to segment ED. Then if length GD is equal to 8 units, length FG is equal to 12 units. Now we have to find EG, second, FD, third, EF. Okay, so now we have to find out FG, EG, we have to find out, FD we have to find out, and you have to find out what? EF. So first of all we find out EG. Solution. ऐसा जब perpendicular होता है, you just think for the theorem of geometric mean only. Okay, so easily we can find out what? EG. Okay, we will start from there only. In triangle DFE, in triangle DFE, measure of angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. It is given, and segment FG is perpendicular to segment ED. Okay, now therefore FG square is equal to EG into GD by theorem of geometric mean. Theorem of geometric mean. So we know that it is 12 square is equal to EG, I don't know, into this is there, it is given. We know that 12 square is 144, EG into 8, 144 upon 8 is equal to EG. So 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. तो 6 रह गया, 8 8s are 64. तो length EG is equal to 18 units. Okay? Once you got this is 18 units. Now, in this case, now we got the value of EG. EG is equal to 18 units. Have you understood this now? Now, once we got that, we can easily find out value of what? EF. So, in triangle EGF, measure of angle EGF is equal to 90 degree. Reason लिखना है, length GF is perpendicular to length ED. That's why it is 90 degree. Then I can apply the Pythagoras theorem. EF square is equal to GE square plus GF square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so EF square is equal to GE is 18 square and GF is 12 square. So EF square is equal to 18 square is 324. Is it right? Plus 12 square is 144. So EF square is equal to 864. So what I'm going to write is taking positive square root. What I'll get? EF is equal to root of 468. We try to find out the factors of 468. 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 4s are again 2, 2 1s are 7s are. So let it be like length EF is equal to root of 468 units. इतना लिखना है और छोड़ देना है. Okay. Now, in triangle DGF, measure of angle DGF is equal to 90 degree. Here we can write segment FG is perpendicular to ED. Now I would apply the Pythagoras theorem. So DF square is equal to DG square plus GF square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so DF square is equal to DG is 8 square plus it will be 12 square. So DF square is equal to 64 plus 144. DF square is equal to 80204. Once again 4 plus 4 8 6. Oh, sorry, I made mistake. That is 0, right? 208. Correct. Taking positive square root. I'll get df square is equal to root of 208. But they have asked you FD. So you can make it FD is equal to root of 208 units. And you put in the box. We can write df. Here also you can write. You can change it, or you can write what? FD square, FD square, FD square, FD. Yeah, you can write it like that only, it makes no difference. Okay, so that is equal to 208 units. Have you understood this? EF square is equal to 468, taking positive square root. So now we can write, I will start from here. EF is equal to positive 468. जब ऐसा आता है तो 468 को हम लोग 2 से करेंगे, तो 2 2 4, 2 3 2 4 again 2, 1 1 7, 3 से करूंगा तो आएगा, आई एम गेटिंग 3 3 9, 2 रह गया 39, फिर 3 से करेंगे तो आएगा 13, 13 1 So what you can write is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. So length EF is equal to 2 into 3 into 30. मतलब length EF is equal to 6 root 13 units is the answer. You got it now? So you got 13 root 3. 13 root 3 for EF. Now I want to find out value of FD ना, EF निकल गया, अभी क्या चाहिए FD. So in triangle DGF, measure of angle DGF is equal to 90 degree. Here the reason is segment FG is perpendicular to segment ED. Same way we are going to write. Okay. Now we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. That is FD square is equal to DG square plus FG square. You see, DG square plus FG square. This is a right angle triangle. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to DG square plus GF square. That is by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so FD square is equal to DG is 8 square and FG is 12 square. So FD square is equal to 64 plus 144. So what you are getting is FD square is equal to 802. Again you have to find out the value of this. So 2s are 2 1s are 2, 0 4, फिर 2 से 52, फिर 2 से 26, फिर 2 से 13, 13 1s are. So FD square is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. So what I am getting is FD square is 2 into 2 into root 13, or oh sorry, I made a mistake. Here we are going to write taking positive square root. So FD is equal to 4 root 13 units. This is your final answer. Please put therefore sign, do the calculation properly, got the idea how to do it. So it is easy question, but this can be asked. So please, ऐसे questions ask सकते हैं. तो copy down it properly, and we'll stop here for the third part of Pythagoras theorem. Copy down it.